In this video, I'll show you how to transcribe audio with ElevenLabs in 2026. If you have an audio recording and want to convert the spoken words into written text, ElevenLabs can help you create a transcription using its available speech-to-text tools. First, open ElevenLabs on your computer and log in to your account. Once you are inside the platform, find the speech-to-text, transcription, or speech recognition feature. The exact name and location may vary depending on the current ElevenLabs interface and your account. Before you begin, prepare the audio file you want to transcribe. Make sure the recording is clear and that you have the necessary permission to process it. Now look for the Upload option and select your supported audio file from your computer. After uploading the recording, wait while ElevenLabs processes the audio. The amount of time required can depend on the length and quality of the recording. When the transcription is complete, you should be able to review the spoken content as text. Read through the transcript carefully. AI transcription can be very accurate, but it may still make mistakes with unclear speech, accents, background noise, names, numbers, or specialized terminology. If your recording contains multiple speakers, check whether the current transcription tool provides speaker identification or other relevant options. If available, these features can make longer conversations easier to organize. You should also check the language settings if they are available. Selecting the correct language can help improve the transcription quality. After reviewing the result, correct any mistakes that you notice. Pay special attention to important information such as names, dates, numbers, addresses, and technical terms. Depending on the available ElevenLabs features, you may be able to copy, edit, or export the transcript for use in another application.